Motivational speech. Absolutely, I would be happy to share some motivational thoughts with you. Remember, motivation often comes from within, but it can be sparked by external encouragement and positive perspectives. Here are a few motivational ideas. Wake up, positive face your fears. Number one, embrace challenges. Life is filled with challenges, but each obstacle is an opportunity for growth. Do not shy away from difficulties. Instead, see them as a chance to prove your resilience and capabilities. Number two, set clear goals. Define your goals clearly and break them down into smaller, achievable tasks. Having a roadmap gives you directions and purpose, making it easier to stay motivated. Do not try to give up. Try to successful. Try to successful. Do not. Number three, learn from failures. Failure is not the end. Failure is not the end. It is stepping stone to success. Use your failure as learning experiences. Analyze what went you wrong, adjust your approach, and keep moving forward. So learn from your failures. Number four, positive self-talks. Positive self-talks. Be yourself. Be your own biggest supporters. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmation. With positive affirmation. Believe in your capabilities and remember that you have the strength to overcome challenges. Number five, celebrate a progress. Acknowledge and celebrate small victories along the way. Recognizing your achievements, no matter how minor, boosts your confidence and keeps you motivated. Your dream is the most powerful weapon. Number six, surround yourself with positivity. Choose to be around people who uplift and inspire you. Positive energy is contagious and being in supportive environment can significantly impact in your motivation. Number seven, take a break and recharge. It is important to reset and recharge, but burnout can hinder motivations. So make sure to take breaks when needed. Sometimes stepping back allows you to return with renewed energies. Number eight, visualize success. Picture yourself achieving your goals. Visualization can be a powerful motivator, helping you stay focused and determined to turn your dreams into reality. The road to success is through commitment. Number nine, continuous learning. Continuous learning. Stay curious and embrace a mindset of continuous learning. The more you learn, the more you confident and capable you becomes. fostering a sense of motivation to explore new possibilities. So the more you learn, the more you confident. Number 10, be grateful. Be grateful. Practice gratitude for what you have and the progress you have made. Gratitude can shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, creating a positive mindset. Remember, motivation is a journey. Remember that. Motivation means a journey, not destinations. It is normal to experience fluctuation in motivation, but adopting positive mindsets and implementing this strategy can help you stay inspired and focused on your goals. Find your purpose. Do not sleep. Thank you for your watching. If it is good for you, please share for your friends. Thank you. Have a nice time.